Did you get in a fight or something?
Oh, thank you. Got into an altercation.
Amber Heard's sister exposes her for lying. Since Johnny Depp's attorneys provided video recordings of his ex-wife being abusive against her in his libel suit towards a British tabloid, Amber Heard's sister denied lying before a London judge. On Thursday night, his legal team got the video from a confidential source just hours after Whitney Henriquez testified in court that she had never been targeted by Heard and was not afraid of her.
Okay, did you really start the fight with your sister, or did she start it? For real, for real, for real.
We're not gonna talk about that.
She really did whoop your butt.
Depp, now 57, is suing news group newspapers, the publisher of The Sun, and Dan Wootton, the newspaper's executive editor, for calling him a wife-beater in an April 2018 post. Depp has testified in court that he was the one who was harassed by Heard and that she has a history of violence against him. In a surprising development, Johnny Depp's lawyers in the libel trial have accused Amber Heard's sister of misleading her testimony when they produced a new video. Mr. Depp's lawyer, David Sherburne, said the footage was sent to his team secretly and showed Whitney Henriquez, Mrs. Heard's niece, with the bruises on her face and body after being reportedly assaulted by her older sister.
I'm strong, smart. I'm not a victim to my detriment. I guess there was a lot of shame attached to that label of victim. It happens to so many women, you know, when it happens in your home behind closed doors.
Mr. Sherburne told the court that this was evidence of proof that Whitney Henriquez was lying after she testified on Thursday that Amber Heard had never been abusive to Johnny Depp, except on one occasion when she stepped in to protect her. Judge Andrew Nicol has decided that before deciding whether the court should see the latest footage, he will first hear from an Australian witness.
With someone you love, it's not as straightforward. If a stranger did this, you know, as it was pointed out to me, if a stranger did this, it would be...
The court was given a video that was reportedly shot between 2006 and 2007 for a reality show in which Whitney Henriquez appears to show injuries allegedly inflicted by her sister, Amber. When asked if Amber started the war, Whitney says she doesn't want to talk about it, but lets the woman examine her arm and chin in the video. The woman talking to her says, "I can't believe Amber beat your ass." Miss Henriquez replies, "We're not talking about it." Whitney Henriquez testifies in court that the program was a very poor reality show and that she and her sister Amber had a physical argument the night before.
No-brainer. It's the telling someone safe is the beginning of choosing yourself. I really think about it. If I hadn't had that, if I hadn't had a few people that I really trust around me, a few women, support, a few friends, if I hadn't had them around me, how different my life would be.
She said she didn't want to share a personal matter with her sister in front of the camera. She denied there was any physical proof of injury. She also claimed that she wanted to shut down the argument and insisted, "You are trying to make something out of nothing." However, Mr. Depp's lawyer, Eleanor Laws QC, reminded her that she told the court yesterday that she had never seen her sister be abusive, with the exception of one time when Amber jumped in to defend her from Johnny Depp. Rocky Pennington, a friend of Miss Heard's, explained the bruises she sustained when Mr. Depp reportedly headbutted her, but admitted she never saw him hit or pound her. She lived in one of the penthouses in Los Angeles owned by Mr. Depp between 2014 and 2016 and was on several occasions called by Amber after she claimed to have been assaulted by Mr. Depp. Ms. Heard's injuries were photographed by Rocky Pennington in December 2015, and she demonstrated to the court by video connection from Los Angeles that she had a swollen forehead, hair pulled out, and a split lip. Amber Heard was said to be free of these injuries and that the clump of hair photographed on the bedroom floor had no roots and therefore should not have been pulled from Miss Heard's scalp. The witness was not convinced. Ms. Pennington was also present at the penthouse on the night in May 2016 when their union came to an end after an explosive confrontation. She admitted she was not present at the outset of the war, but she said she interfered when Amber requested assistance, preventing Mr. Depp from hitting her again. She told the court she photographed the apartment, which had broken glass on the floor and countertops, as well as damage to the fixtures. Asked why police officers who arrived there had been unable to see any sign of the damage, Ms. Pennington said, "There was damage when I arrived. I believe they would have seen damage." It was alleged that she and Amber Heard had spent several days taking photos and collaborating so she could divorce Mr. Depp. Eleanor Laws QC said, "They were being taken for Ms. Heard to negotiate a settlement with Mr. Depp, weren't they?" Ms. Pennington replied, "That's not what I would say." "Did you want to get into a war or something?" one of them asks, and "I can't believe Amber got the better of you." Another appears to be inspecting Henriquez's cheek and shoulder, but she refuses to speak about it. Henriquez says that the fight with her sister was verbal and that her friends were trying to make a very, very dull story more exciting after seeing the video in court. Henriquez also denied that she had any injuries when the video was recorded and said that her friends were looking for injuries that were not there, trying to create a narrative to make something more interesting, to create something out of nothing, she said. Depp's counsel David Sherburne had previously said that it is very obvious that Heard raped her sister and that the tape is being investigated for injury to Henriquez. Henriquez is a key witness in the case since she claims to have seen Depp hit her niece. Henriquez testified on Thursday that Depp hit Heard many times after an alleged altercation in March 2015 at the couple's Los Angeles apartment. She also said that her sister stabbed Depp at the time, but only to protect herself because she thought Depp was about to throw Henriquez down the stairs. That's all for today. I hope you liked the video. If you did, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.